This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. Updates galore on this move-in ready 5-bed plus bonus room. New plumbing and light fixtures. Downstairs HVAC replaced 2 years ago. LVP flooring and new carpet. Gourmet kitchen with tons of cabinet space, island, quartz countertops, updated appliances. Salon master bath with furniture vanities, soaker tub and tile floors. Oversized laundry with pocket door. Fifth bedroom could be in-law suite or second primary bedroom with private bath. Jumbo-sized L-shaped bonus room. Storage building. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Wood at 901-861-4808.